So for this sprint, I was focusing mainly on getting most of the functionality up and running. This consisted of two main parts. The first part was to do with getting the user to be able to report his or her location and also to tag it with certain pieces of information. So for this demo, I'll be demonstrating how a user might be able to report the location of free food. And the second part of the project was kind of the reverse of that. The user had to be able to fetch data from the database showing what areas around him had free food. So for the first part of the project, what I did was implement this thing called a computation, which you can kind of think of as a button on the home screen of your Apple Watch. So if I click this button, you can see that the app is going out to the database and updating it. You can see in parse that it gets updated with this object, and the user can then go on and choose to tag that object with certain information. In this case, I'm just tagging it with food, and you can see that the object gets updated and parsed. And then for the second part of the project, I was basically trying to get the data back from parse. So if the user clicks this button, parse goes back to the database and sees how many locations have been reported in the past hour around the user's location, and so it fetches back these 6 entries, and so you have 6 hotspots over here, and that's basically what I've been working on for this past sprint. For the future sprints, I'll be probably working on getting the UI to make more sense and to implement further functionality like interactive notifications and further questions for the user so you can get more in-depth information.